Hello everyone, welcome to SFMC Stories. I'm so excited to have you here. If you're a marketer, architect, consultant, or a developer who wanted to explore more on Marketing Cloud, or if you are a fresher who wanted to understand what is Marketing Cloud, you're in the right place. Let me introduce myself before getting into know what this channel will provide you. I have a decade of experience in a marketing platform. I started my journey as a developer in the digital marketing space. As a developer, I got an opportunity to work on Marketing Cloud engagement, and then it was called as Exact Target. As a developer, I worked on email campaigns, data setup, and also involved in configuration of AMP script and SSJS. Later, as the days passed by, I also got an opportunity to explore more on the platform by learning topics like Web Studio, Mobile Studio, and lot more, all the features available in Marketing Cloud. And I also have the experience in configuring Marketing Cloud personalization and Marketing Cloud intelligence. And later, as the days passed by, I also got an exposure to work on various different products related to marketing, not within the Salesforce ecosystem, but in the different spaces. And as the days evolved, there was an exposure to work on Pardot, which is now called as account engagement, where I was working as a developer. I got introduced into the platform from end-to-end implementation as well. And as an SME, I got a lot of more experience on a daily basis to understand what this tool can provide and how to experiment with various features available in the platform. I've covered almost all the features part of Marketing Cloud engagement and account engagement as a developer and also as an SME. And now, as we have Data Cloud in place, back then when it was Customer Data Platform, which is CDP, I did work on the same platform, which was with marketers, where we can unify the profiles and get the unification of customer data or the subscriber profile and target them at the right time in the right place. And later, as the days passed by and we got into a new product like Marketing Cloud Growth Edition and Advanced Edition, I did get an opportunity here to work on the same products in Growth Edition and Advanced Edition. So by now, I know Marketing Cloud engagement, account engagement, Growth Edition, Advanced Edition, and basically the foundation of all these tools, Data Cloud, which is a core concept today. And not only here, I am also an agent blazer innovator. Being said that, I know concepts related to Agentforce, which is supporting sales and service today, and a few concepts related to marketing as well. And I'm a constant reader on account engagement, marketing tools, and like Growth Edition and Advanced Edition. Not only stopping there, I'm also learning more concepts on AI and Agentforce. I did not stop there. I also extended my support in the Trailblazer community. So what did I do in the Trailblazer community? I did start my journey as a participant. I participated in a lot of Trailblazer community events. And later in my journey, I wanted to be a speaker. So I presented some topics related to Marketing Cloud and Data Cloud. As the days passed by, I also got an opportunity to speak in-person events like Dreaming. I've provided some sessions in in-person events as well. I also wanted to have my own website. The website name is same as the YouTube channel SFMC Stories, where I am covering topics related to Marketing Cloud, and it is more on engagement today, and later I will be covering topics related to Growth Edition, Advanced Edition, which will be covering in-depth or deep dive technical details related to the tool and also its features. I wanted to document this in a recording manner, wherever I am having a speaking opportunity in the community. I wanted a recording of it stored somewhere, and also I wanted to have an interaction with the community on a regular basis, and whatever interaction I am having with the community, I wanted to document that as well. Here is the plan. Why I have started this particular channel is to document whatever I am speaking with the community on a weekly basis or a bi-weekly basis, which is again a part of SFMC stories, and also to explore more on the use cases part of Marketing Cloud Growth Edition, Advanced Edition, Data Cloud, and whatever tools that comes in future related to Marketing Cloud. I wanted to document all these things in one place. That is why I have started this particular channel, that is SFMC Stories, where you can learn everything related to marketing in one place. So thank you for joining this particular introduction video, and if you would like to continue your journey on Marketing Cloud, please do subscribe and like this video and share with your friends and family, whoever is interested to learn Marketing Cloud and explore more on the platform. Thank you.